Ladies and gentlemen, for best view of the portrait above, kindly drag your bodies away from the walls and lay them to rest in the dead center of the gallery.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive, and we'll continue our tour. And let's all stay together, please. Actually, we have 999 happy haunts here, but there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? If you insist on lagging behind, you may not need to volunteer. And now, a carriage approaches to take you into the boundless realm of the supernatural. Take your beloved partner by the hand, please, and kindly watch yourself. That will carry you into the moldering sanctum of the spirit world.
This warning, the spirits will materialize only if you remain safely seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside, and watch your children, please.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuide a los pequeñitos. Y ahora, prepárese.
We find it delightfully unlivable here in this ghostly retreat. Every room has wall-to-wall creeps. And hot and cold, running chills. Shh. Listen.
From somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween. Awaken the spirits with your tambourine.
happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for it, swinging. Wait, you shall be expecting me. I'll see you all a little later. Wait.
have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your dune buggy. We will proceed in just a moment. We have been unavoidably detained by planetary spirits. Kindly remain seated in your dune buggy, please. We will continue our tour momentarily.
Sometimes high over the dead oak tree. Creepy creeps.
They have selected you.